Hey, this is Andrew Brown. In this video, we are going to look at extending the size of a volume after we've launched EC2 instance. So I've actually done one run with this and I failed, so I already have some of the set up here. But in the resize folder, I have a template for us to deploy. It's the same as our basic one, but I just removed that additional volume. And so we're going to go ahead and deploy that. So go into that folder, deploy that, make your way over to CloudFormation. Okay. And we'll give it a moment to think here. I'm not sure why it's having an issue. Could be my internet. It might be my internet. Yep, it's my internet. Just give me a moment here, okay? All right, my internet is back. I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to give this a hard refresh. We're going to make our way over to our CloudFormation stacks. I'm going to go ahead and execute this change set. So what I'm waiting for is this to deploy. Once this is done, we'll go and take a look at that EC2 instance, okay? All right, so it looks like our instance is ready. We're going to make our way over to EC2, and we'll go over to instances here, and we'll go ahead and connect to this instance. Well, it has to be the one that's running, so... And just remember that we launched this with a T3 micro, meaning that we are using the Nitro system. If it's T2, it's going to be on the Zen system. So that's really important because when we want to go ahead and modify our volume and do things, it's going to change the requirements. But anyway, we're in here. We want to type that command. We know it was it LSBK, LBSK. There we nope. I cannot remember it to save my life. The command is LSBLK. Okay, so LSBLK, so list blocks. And so here we have it, and it's at 8 gigabytes. And the idea is that I want to expand that or resize it. So what we're going to do is go over here, and I have the command. We can grab this from the modified volume. It's basically the exact same thing. And you need to grab your EBS volume. So go to your volumes. And we'll go to here and we'll grab this value and we'll replace it as such. And I'm just going to change that to 12 gigabytes. Okay, so we'll go ahead and copy this and we'll paste it and hit enter. Okay, I have my AWS credentials set up. Of course, you have to have your profile set up like all of our videos. And so over here, if we go back and check again, notice that it says 12, but our partition here only has 8. So we want to make all of it available here. And so we're going to have to follow some steps for extending the file system. So they have instructions here. It's going to vary whether it's Zen or Nitro. It's more or less the same. It doesn't look a whole lot different. But anyway, I kind of just saved us some time here, and I've grouped them together. And so we need to grow part and then do XFS grow FS. So grow part is used to expand the partition to the whole disk. And XFS is the GrowFS to use and resize and apply the changes. So I believe that this is what that is. We'll just double check again to make sure this is the case. But this one says NVMe 0N1, NVMe 0N1. So that seems fine. So we'll go ahead and copy this. And now we'll run this here on our server. Okay, it says it's new size. We'll go take a look here and notice it's 12. But I believe that we still have to run this. So we'll go ahead and run this. Okay, and so now we are done. It is resized. We'll go ahead and type this in again. Okay, and so that's how you would resize this. Just understand, you can't just modify volume and hope everything is good. Now, could you restart the volume and would it know about the resize? I don't think so. I don't feel like testing that. If you want to go find out, you can do that yourself. But yeah, I think that satisfies resizing our volume. So we'll go ahead over to CloudFormation. And we will tear this down, and I will see you in the next one, okay? Ciao.